Alright guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're at right now. Today's been a good day so far. Louise came up here about 6:30. She took the jeepney, rode up here, and I took Hannah Grace to school, got the car washed. Was gonna get a shave, but today's Manny's day off. I like to get it shaved close razor shave a couple times a month. It costs you what, about 110 pesos with tips, so you're looking at about $2. Found a guy to take my cardboard. We had so much cardboard when they, you know, up here at Jumbo General and even in other stores, if you buy a lot of food, they'll stick it in cardboard boxes, and they use this green tape or this green type plastic. It's almost like a string, and they tie everything up. And, you know, that way, you know, they're not sending you home with a bunch of bags. So yeah, they'll box it up. So I had a bunch of boxes from that, from when we went shopping. Refrigerator box, just a bunch of boxes. The whole trunk was full of cardboard. And when I was getting the car washed, I was just waiting for the guy to come by. A lot of guys will ride by on bicycles and stuff with a side, like a little side cart, and you can tell they're recycle guys. And so I grabbed him, pulled him to the side, and showed him on my cardboard, and he gave me 50 pesos. So 50 pesos for free cardboard that I got. We'll take that. But I did that today. Also went and got another estimate on the car. I got one estimate, and here's where the Canon price is backfiring, because the guy that hit me is Filipino. So I'm going to different people here trying to get prices. One guy, he wanted 6,800 pesos to take the dent out, spray paint everything. Went down to the guy that hit the car the first time, and he has a friend who does body work, so I went down there today, and he told me if he has to pull the side panel off and fix the dent and everything, spray paint and all that, that it would be minimum of 4,000. So I'm gonna hook up with him probably Thursday, go down to the guy's body shop, and get a price and a quote from him. But yeah, this is where the Canon tax is backfiring. So, but anyways, guys, here at the shop right now, just hanging out and waiting for customers. Ice. You want ice?
Yeah. Sa'yo. Si mama namin. Oh. Sobra ako. Ay, naku na. Gaya ka tayo. Ano tayo? Is namin mo. Hindi kayo ito mo? Hindi. Sige. One hold the ice. Ano lang? Baka may mga. Wow.
They're fighting on who wants to carry it. Alright guys, I wanted to show you this really quick. If you've been to the Philippines, you know what the peso is. You got the 10 peso coin right here, 5 peso, and 1 peso. What they've done now is they have replaced or started putting the 5 peso in silver like that. Louisa seems to think they started this in the beginning of the years. Somebody brought that to her attention, and she brought it to my attention. If you notice, the 5 and the 1 peso are silver in color and can easily be mistaken. The 5 can be mistaken as a 1 peso coin if you're not aware of that. But I wanted to show you this really quick. So if you come here and you visit here, or if you're here and you didn't know it, just be aware. Like I said, there's the 5 and there's the 1. Now the 5 is slightly bigger than the 1, but if you're not aware of it, you could be giving out 5 pesos thinking you're giving out 1 peso. Alright guys, Lut has gone up to Ligo. Ligo is take a shower, take a bath, and guess who's in charge? I'm in charge. And I will say, anayon. In other words, what do you want? How can I help you? So, I'm in charge right now. This is gonna be fun. I was in charge here the other day for a little while, and I did okay. Here we go. Many. Oh, 100. Oh, I don't want to shortchange it. 8. Oh, so there's 100. Minus 8. 100 minus 4. 8 equals 90 to 50. 60, 70, 80, 90. 2. Thank you. Well guys, Lut is back from Ligo. I had one customer, Lut.
Yeah.
Yeah. She gave me 100 and I almost shortchanged her. I gave her back 10, 11, 12 pesos. And she said, oh, that's an 100. And I said, oh, you're correct. One customer. And I screwed that one up. Lucky her that she was honest and said, oh, then I actually gave her a little bit too much more change, and she said, that's too much money you're giving me.
It is?
Yeah.
My God.
So, luckily she was honest, and
you take my old profits.
She corrected me. Oh yeah, learning as I go. Yeah, I know I need to go back to school and learn my math, but I do have a calculator here, so I can use the calculator if I have to. Alright guys, so today we had 2 people come up. One guy just left right now. An older man and a younger girl came up and asked for rice. Not to buy, but to eat. Are we opening up a can of worm by doing this? I don't know, but I told Lut that we need to maybe get some rice cooking, and they didn't have money, of course. I think they're just street people. And are we gonna open up a can of worms now? We gave the little girl well, she wasn't little, I would say, you know, teenager, right around there. And we even gave the guy, you know, some pesos out of our own pocket to go and grab something to eat. The old man said he was going to go to the cantina to buy rice and eat. Are we opening up a can of worms by, you know, being kind-hearted and giving some rice to people that need it? You know, we've done it quite well. We do it here and there. We'll get rice or we'll buy food, and if we have food, and we'll even buy extra food sometimes to give it to people that we know are homeless and need something to eat. But you know what? That's just us, and we're just kind-hearted like that. Will they keep coming back and asking for rice? I don't know. Time will tell. But we're gonna get some rice made up in the morning and just keep it. And I don't particularly like giving coins to people. To me, I'd rather give them, you know, something to eat. You know, at least that way we know they're going to eat something. To where if you give coins, they might go out, buy a bottle of booze or, you know, whatever. But I don't know. We'll see where this goes. All right. So today's lunch is kikiam and fish balls. I know you heard me talk about fish balls before, and you'll see fish ball stands in the evening riding around and parked different places. And what it is, it's a little cart. Well, it's a motorcycle with a side cart on it, and they'll put like a burner on it, and they'll put pans and they deep fry it. And big seller here. I love the things. But anyways, we were up at the grocery store yesterday, and we picked up some fish balls and kikiam. You can buy it in the grocery store. You don't have to necessarily buy it off the, you know, off the vendors that ride around here. But anyways, you fry it up, and a lot of them have different spices and sauces and things like that that you can, you know, put in a little cup. They always put it in a little cup and give you like a little, almost like a real long toothpick. So you could poke your fish balls and your kikiam and anything else you buy from the fish ball vendor. But anyways, that is our lunch today, and we're going to enjoy fish balls. Frying away. Smells like fish balls. Look, what do fish balls smell like?
Fish. What fish?
Fish balls. Look, are the fish balls done?
Yeah.
How do you know they're done?
Because I'm a fish ball girl.
Because you're a fish ball girl. Oh. Oh. Get it.
You know how you call them they're done?
How?
Because when you cook it, if it's still not done yet, when you start it, they will go to the bottom. When they goes,
Oh, when they come up.
they will come up.
Mm.
They will like swimming.
They like swimming. Slippery suckers.
Yeah.
Like a tilapia flapping around. A lot of times when you get them from the vendors, they're still a little on the white side, somewhat golden.
It's a different fish ball.
Different fish ball? But yeah, we cook these like crispy golden brown. That's
Call
the
it
best.
like squid ball.
Squid
This
ball.
is Fish ball.
Fish ball. Brought to you by
Fish ball.
Fish Ball. There it is. Lunch is served. That's like a spicy, what is that? Like a spicy type sauce. What is that, bud? What's the name? Hot and spicy. Hot and spicy. Grab the hot and spicy sauce. That's what we're going with today.
The farmer.
Freibel food. Hot and spicy. Time to dig in. So Lut said we're going to go and find those rub-on tattoos. She thinks they'll sell, right, Lut?
Yeah.
So we'll have the whole neighborhood all tattooed up, all the kids.
Kids love it.
Yeah. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap this one up for the day. Louisa's up at Jumbo Jenner again, and she's picking up some supplies. Me and Hannah Grace, we're running the show, and what can go wrong? She knows what she's doing. I don't know what I'm doing sometimes. But anyways, guy stopped by with about the car just a little while ago, and I talked to him, told him what was going on as far as getting quotes and things like that. And he was cool about it and everything. He'll be out of town for 2 weeks, and I told him we'll get together when he comes back. So that was nice of him to stop by. But anyways, tomorrow's another day, and the journey continues, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Anything to say? She's got her tablet. She's good to go.